My first name is Sal. Rosenberg. A what number? Serial. Oh yeah, hold on. Okay. F B C G D D D and 4. Is that the right number? Okay, hold on. No, it's not. It's not working so good.
Okay, have you got, you have a MacBook?
I have a computer, but it's not working so good.
Okay, what type of computer do you have, sir?
I have a Mac. Hold on. It's a Macintosh Powerbook 180.
Okay, can you run it over and remove the battery?
Yes.
Okay. On that battery trace, I'm going to some serial number.
I see the serial number. Should I read it to you?
Yes, please.
Okay. It's FC33QQQQX441. Wait. Let me read that back to you. Okay, FC330DQX441. Okay. All right. Okay.
Okay, here we go. So let's start first. We have
FC.
Okay.
And then 2 3s.
Okay.
Like my age. 0 DX441.
Okay.
No, not Charlie, it's Rosenberg. Not Charlie, it's Sal Rosenberg. Said Charlie.
Mr. Rosenberg, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the serial number I'm knowing. F is a Foxtrot.
Foxtrot. Charlie.
330.
330.
D is in Bravo.
D as in Down syndrome.
X is in X-ray.
Yes. 4. 2 4s and then a 1, so 441. What?
Did you mention Mr. Rosenberg? What I'm going to do here is...
Yes?
I'm going to get you over to the people that support these orders for batteries and chargers.
Wait, but it's just not running so good. I just want it to work.
Let me get you over to the people who have to help you get the battery ordered.
Thank you so much, yes. Okay. My name is Sal. My phone number? Oh, alright. My phone number is... what is it? Hold on, let me ask my grandson. What's your phone number? 860
461
461
8005.
8035.
Okay, now I saw that this call was transferred to me, but a case number and anything didn't call up. Do you have a case number?
What's the case number? My computer's just not working so good, and I need some help to get it back on track. Like my grandson. Like my fucking grandson. He's never on... I'm sorry. Yes, I have a serial number. Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay. Alright, let me just, okay. FC 330DQX441. Okay. Thank you. The first number was F. No, F. F as in Frank. And Frank. Okay. Okay. Sure. No Victor. No Victor. No Victor. D as in David. Star of David. 441. That's correct, sir. Sure. This is a Macintosh Powerbook 180. Well, it's just not working so good. Like I try to turn it on and it doesn't. Hello? Sure. It just doesn't. It's just not working so good. When I try to turn it on, it just turns off. Sure. Today. Sure. This is a Powerbook 180. I've been on hold over and over and over. Is it going to be long, Kevin? Can you call me back on my phone? I have to use the bathroom.
I can't do that, but let me do this. We can have a second here.
Okay, sure. Sure. Sal Rosenberg. Sal Rosenberg. Sure. Okay, Sal Rosenberg.